So today I thought I would plant up some summer flowering bulbs like dahlias, cannas, lilies and Peruvian daffodils. And to help me in this extremely easy task is my trusty partner in crime,
Hi.
Ethan, and his trusty best mate and my great nephew, Oliver.
Hi.
So, like I said, we're going to pick up some, first of all we'll try some dahlias. So I'm going to get the guys to, so you can have, so we've got this one here, which is Jennifer's Wedding, a nice purpley one. So if you can take that out of the plastic. Ethan, you've got this one here, I don't even know what it's called. It's a purple one anyway, another, a dark one. So you, I'll do that actually, you know what I mean, I'll do it. So mind we don't get the earth everywhere, we don't want to upset Mrs F, do we? Mummy and Auntie. Right, so you hold them there a sec, guys. I've got a nice white one here, and I want this for the secret garden, where all the flowers are going to be white, so this will be a good addition. Now, we're going to plant them in, they're not going to be staying in these pots, so I'm just planting them in these plastic ones, with ordinary potted compost. They're only going to be there until the frost, the danger of frost is gone, and we can plant them in the ground, or wherever I'm going to plant them. So, if you've got your gear there, let me get mine out. So obviously dahlias are beautiful late summer plants with great big, extremely loud flowers, but I love them. So if you take yours out, guys, so hold your bag over the pot, that's it, and then just pull your bag out, pull your bag out, pull your thing out, good lad. Oh, you're struggling a bit there, mate, yeah? Very small, that's good. You can put your bag into that pot there, mate, if you want. Yeah, just put that in there, that's no worry. No. See what you mean, I forgot about that. Might as well use a bit of compost there. So you just hold that. Let's try and get this one out for Ethan. You hold that, Ethan. So dahlias, so their roots, so these are their roots, and their bodies, their actual, is the tubers. And this is where they keep all their goodness, and they bring it in through the roots. So up here in Nova Scotia, obviously it gets a little bit cold in the winter. So with these sort of summer flowering bulbs, I normally lift them back out the ground and put them in dry compost when they're done. So what we're going to do, so there's a top and a bottom, right? So we've got to find the top and the bottom. Who knows or dares to wonder? Now the bottom is normally these, where the tubers are, it's normally the pointy bit with roots at the end. So I'll just put mine down here, and yours is a bit difficult because it's covered in whatever it's covered in. Let's have a little look here.
Mine is covered all over.
Well, actually, you can see here, so they've already started to grow little stalks coming out of the actual tubers themselves. So this, we'll say, is the bottom. Okay, so if you hold that like that, Ethan. What do you reckon, Oliver? Which one's top and which one's bottom?
I have
No clue? Well, a bit of a giveaway there, again, is it's starting to grow already. And this bit here, this stalky bit, is the old stalk from the original, from last year. So that's the top, and this is the bottom where all the roots will grow. Okay? So what we'll do is I'll get you to put yours in like that. You got it? You put yours in, Ethan. You can actually put yours in a bit.
Mine can stand.
Yours can stand as well. Nice one. And we'll get some compost. So get your hands in there. I'll hold that. You get your hands. We'll do Oliver's first. Oliver, you just pull all the load in there. Don't afraid to get. See, this is another good thing. We want to get our children to get their hands dirty. Don't be afraid, mate. Just grab a load and bung it in. We want them to get out there and get dirty and get some of the germs that they don't seem to be having nowadays, and not be afraid of the earth and understanding about all these different plants. Good lad. Let's pile a bit more in there. Not be shy. Now push your hands all around it, and we want to keep it nice and firm in the middle. You get amongst it, Ethan. mine in. So now, if you were actually planting these, and you can plant dahlias in pots in the summer, it's always a good. You can put it away when it's not actually flowering. When it's coming to flower, you can put it in a nice place. You want to use, hang on a sec mate, you want to use a pot, good 12-inch pot, with crocks in the bottom, or some stones to provide a bit of drainage. But like I said, for these ones here, as we're only really putting them in there for about a month, 6 weeks, then they can do all right in this actual plastic pot. And like I said, if you're potting them up permanently, a good 12-inch pot and a good 6 inches down in the ground. And when I come to pot these, plant these out into the earth, I'll give them a good size hole. Right. Oh, you need a bit more earth there, mate, don't you?
Yeah.
Pile it in for you. Pile it in. Let's give it a covering now. What about you? Do you want some?
Okay.
Let's have a bit more.
Still might need a bit more, but still.
Still a bit more? I reckon you'll be alright there, shouldn't mate?
There we go.
There we go. Right, so firm it in nicely around the sides. Firm it in. That's good. And we'll give these a good water. Keep them out of, obviously, any frosty areas. I'll be putting mine out in the daytime, taking it back in the evenings, just in case, like I said, sometimes it gets a bit chilly up here in Nova Scotia. You probably think it isn't, with all the nice sunny weather that I'm always showing. And that's it, as easy as that. 3 dahlias, hopefully providing us some lovely, gorgeous, opulent blooms later in the summer. So it's a goodbye from me, and it's a goodbye from...
Goodbye. Goodbye.
They never normally talk like that. See you later.